Hi, today in front of me Oppo F23 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings application, then tap to wallpaper and style and tap to wallpaper section. Here you'll see all of the available wallpapers, which icons you could use. For example, let's select one from the available icons, tap to apply and click to lock screen. Now let's just lock the device. So we could see that our lock screen wallpaper has changed successfully. Also, we could make it by the second way. Just first hold for a while home screen with your finger, tap the wallpaper icon, and after that you'll see here by the same way, you'll see all of the same wallpapers, and by the same way you could use photo from your device gallery, the Google photos, downloaded previously photos from the internet, the regular or online wallpapers, but to use them be sure that you're connected to the mobile data or to the just regular internet, the mobile data. So for example, let's one from the available wallpapers, tap to apply, lock screen again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.